Hello crawlspace dwellers, and welcome to a retro computer crawlspace sneak peek. What's going on? A look ahead. Today we're in the lab. So this is the Atari 520 STFM. This was the first Atari computer we pulled out of the crawlspace to work on. It's been cleaned up, retro-brighted, had a lot of work done. It was purchased used. It was actually the last Atari, I think, I purchased. It was purchased just to run a standalone application. Here we see it running a copy of Style. The second Atari taken out of the crawlspace is the Atari Mega ST2. This was the first computer I ever bought. It has not been cleaned yet. Could use a little retro brighting. One of its monitors needs a lot of retro brighting. But it has a internal SCSI hard drive which is failing. So I've ordered an Ultra Satan to hopefully back it up before that drive spins up for the last time. So I'm trying not to use it. And then finally, the most recent Atari, the last one of the three from the crawlspace, is this one. This is an Atari Falcon030. Sort of one of the when it came to home computers, non-IBM PCs, that is, this was really, really something. This was it took me a long time to acquire this unit. I bought it directly from Atari as a registered Atari developer. Here we see its desktop. At the moment, I've got it connected to a floptical drive, which takes little 21 megabyte diskettes. Took me a long time to find the media for this in the crawlspace. The Falcon came with two, video adapter plugs. One that converted its output to the form factor of a Atari monitor, and another which came out in VGA. And of course, back when I used this machine initially, I had never used this plug before. Didn't have a VGA monitor back then. Used my Atari monitors. But today it's hooked up to this old flat screen. But it's a proper out of the Falcon, it's a proper VGA signal, so it doesn't need any conditioning or anything. And just to load up the same display that's on the other unit. This Falcon is currently in 256 color mode. It also has a true color mode, but then you have the screen is half as wide. So there's a picture of that. Much bigger resolution here on the Falcon than over on the STFM, which of course is 320 by 200 and 640 by 480, 256 colors and 16 colors. So quite a bit of video work, quite a bit of video about work on the Mega, and sneak peek at things to come. We'll be working on the Falcon. And that is a retro computer crawlspace sneak peek. Thank you for watching.